Mount Washington, the highest peak in the northeastern United States, stands at 6,288 feet in New Hampshire's White Mountains. Known for its extreme weather, it once held the world record for the fastest surface wind gust at 231 miles per hour. The summit offers breathtaking views, accessible by hiking trails, the Mount Washington Auto Road, or the historic Cog Railway. Despite its beauty, the mountain's rapidly changing conditions make it one of the most dangerous hikes in the region. Home to the Mount Washington Observatory, it serves as a key site for weather research and a challenge for adventurers year-round. Enjoy these views from the top.